DELMIA's final product assembly solution for the high-tech industry enables manufacturing planners to design, validate, and ensure the quality of manufacturing and production operations while maximizing factory output. DELMIA's high-tech final product assembly solution provides a collaborative approach to validate the product design in the context of manufacturing processes and resource plans. The validation addresses order of assembly, required time for manufacturing activities, and optimized allocation of manufacturing processes across the required set of resources. Manufacturing planners are able to estimate the assembly cycle time by defining a feasible assembly sequence with standard times for each operation. The manufacturing planner can also study different resource alternatives between manual labor and automated systems to optimize costs while meeting the targeted cycle time to maximize capacities of the different factories around the world. DELMIA Final Product Assembly delivers increased efficiencies through early collaboration that reduces production risks and maximizes factory output.